Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can download Google Chat in Mac. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the web browser and search Google Chat. Next, click on the first link appeared on your screen. After that, you will see download the chat apps and you have to click on Play Store. There you will see install option, you have to click on that. Depending on your internet speed, it might take few seconds to few minutes. So this is how you download Google Chat in Mac. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.